Question 15 is from areas related to circles, an easy question. The number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of radius 0.25 meters in rolling a distance of 11 kilometers. How many revolutions has it made while it is covering a distance of 11 kilometers? Right. In one revolution, the distance covered by the circular wheel is going to be equal to the circumference of the wheel, right? Let's look at it. This is the distance that it will cover in one circle, one revolution. Therefore, it's going to be equal to the circumference. Circumference for us is 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into, let's take the radius to be equal to 1 by 4. So many meters is the distance covered in one revolution, right? Distance in one revolution. So this is essentially a 44 by 4. We'll make it as 11 by 7 meters is the distance covered in one revolution. The total distance covered is 11 kilometers. Let's say it takes n revolutions to cover this 11 kilometers. So n revolutions will result in 11 kilometers or 11,000 meters of distance done. Okay, we know the distance covered in one revolution is 11 by 7. So n revolutions distance covered will be equal to n times 11 by 7 meters, which is equal to 11,000. Divide both sides by 11. So 11 gets cancelled on the left hand side to leave us with 1,000 on the right hand side. Cross multiply the 7. So we'll get n is equal to 7,000. 7,000 revolutions of this circular wheel will result in covering a distance of 11,000 meters or 11 kilometers. Choice D is the correct answer to this question.
Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. So get it done today. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. And also, spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.